Welcome to the best pick. The best Milwaukee toolbox is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any professional tradesperson or serious DIYer, offering unparalleled durability, intelligent organization, and robust protection for your valuable tools, ensuring they remain secure and accessible on any job site, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who relies on their tools to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Number 5. Milwaukee 106-piece SAE Ratchet and Socket Set. This tool set is built to last. Its tough polycarbonate construction ensures it can withstand demanding jobs. With 106 pieces ranging from 1/4 to 3/8, it offers incredible versatility. You'll have the right size for almost any task. Experience smooth and efficient operation thanks to its mechanical ratchet mechanism. It makes tightening and loosening fasteners a breeze. It includes hex, flat, and fixed square sockets, providing the perfect head for a wide range of applications. Rely on the quality you expect from Milwaukee. This set is designed for professionals who demand the best. What we like. This set offers exceptional durability with its polycarbonate construction. It provides a comprehensive 106-piece collection for both SAE and sizes. If you need a robust and versatile socket set for a wide range of mechanical tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Milwaukee box for tools is a robust and well-designed storage solution. It features multiple compartments and a secure locking mechanism, keeping tools organized and safe. The durable construction ensures it can withstand tough job site conditions. Number 4. Milwaukee 48-22-8430 Packout Small Parts Organizer. Introducing the Milwaukee Packout Small Parts Organizer. It's designed for durability and convenience. Built with a solid construction, this organizer is made to withstand tough job site conditions. It features an IP65 rated weather seal, protecting your contents from dust and water. The 10-compartment design allows for excellent organization of all your small parts. Keep your screws, nuts, bolts, and other small items neatly sorted and easily accessible. This organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your essential small parts protected and in order on any job. What we like. This organizer boasts a practical 10-compartment design for efficient small parts management. Its IP65 rating ensures protection against dust and water. If you're looking for a weather-resistant and organized way to store screws, nuts, and other small hardware, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The Milwaukee box for tools is a robust and well-designed storage solution. It features multiple compartments and a secure locking mechanism, making it ideal for organizing and protecting your tools. The durable construction ensures it can withstand tough job site conditions. Number 3. Milwaukee Packout 3-Drawer Toolbox. Meet the ultimate solution for your tool storage needs. This innovative system is designed for maximum organization and durability. With 3 spacious drawers, you can keep all your tools neatly arranged and easily accessible. No more digging for what you need. Constructed with impact-resistant polymers, it's built to withstand harsh job site conditions. Rely on it for long-lasting performance. It seamlessly connects with the entire Packout system, allowing you to customize your storage setup. Expand your capabilities effortlessly. Transform any space to a functional workshop. This toolbox provides the portability and organization you need to get the job done efficiently. What we like. Featuring 3 spacious drawers, this toolbox offers excellent organization for various tools. It seamlessly integrates into the Packout system for modular storage. If you need a dedicated solution for keeping your wrenches, pliers, and other hand tools neatly arranged and accessible, this is ideal. What people say. The Milwaukee 27-inch 5-drawer tool chest is a great addition to my garage. It has plenty of space for all my tools and the drawers slide smoothly. I love the heavy-duty construction of this tool chest. It feels very sturdy and well-made, and I know it will last for years to come. The locking mechanism on this tool chest is a nice feature. It keeps my tools secure and prevents anyone from accessing them without my permission. Number 2. Milwaukee Packout Rolling Toolbox. Meet the new standard in tool storage. This rolling toolbox is designed for ultimate convenience and durability. Engineered by Milwaukee Electric Tools, it's built to withstand the toughest job site conditions. Its robust construction ensures your tools are always protected. Navigate your workspace with ease thanks to its smooth rolling wheels and low-profile handle. Transporting your gear has never been simpler. With ample storage space, you can keep all your essential tools organized and accessible. Find what you need, when you need it. This is the reliable solution for professionals who demand the best. Invest in a tool storage system that works as hard as you do. What we like. This rolling toolbox is designed for effortless transport of your gear. It features a convenient low-profile handle for easy maneuverability. If you frequently move your tools around a job site or need a mobile storage solution that's part of a larger system, this is a great option. What people say. This box is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for storing my tools. I love the multiple compartments in this box, it helps me keep my tools organized. The latches on this box are strong and secure, ensuring my tools stay put. Number 1. Milwaukee Packout 22 inches. Tool box. Introducing the ultimate storage solution. Built for the toughest jobs, this system is designed to withstand heavy use and keep your tools protected. Stay organized on the go with its modular design. Interior organizer trays allow you to customize your storage for easy access to all your essential tools. Experience unparalleled durability. This toolbox is constructed with heavy-duty materials to ensure it lasts for years to come. Never worry about your tools again. It features heavy-duty latches that keep everything securely in place, no matter the conditions. This is more than just a toolbox, it's a complete modular storage system. Expand your capabilities and streamline your workflow with this essential addition to your toolkit. What we like. This toolbox is part of a versatile modular storage system, allowing for customizable setups. It includes interior organizer trays for enhanced sorting. If you prioritize a heavy-duty, adaptable storage solution with secure latches to protect your equipment, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Milwaukee 27-inch wide toolbox is a robust and well-constructed unit, featuring heavy-duty steel construction that ensures durability for professional use. It offers ample storage space with multiple drawers, each equipped with smooth-gliding ball-bearing slides, allowing for easy access and organization of various tools. The integrated power strip with USB ports is a convenient feature, enabling users to charge tools and devices directly from the toolbox, enhancing productivity on the job site. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.